Hello students, today my topic is intermediate second year 2B Maths, chapter 6 integration, and it is a very important chapter. Now for the 4 marks and 7 marks important questions, here one of the topic type 1 question. Type 1 is integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. This is one of the type. Integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. And based on this type, I taken one question. Evaluate integral dx by 4x square minus 4x minus 7. See, solution. Given integral dx by 4x square minus 4x minus 7, and next I am going to take the common of this 4. What is the coefficient of x square? That number we need to take common. If there is no any coefficient of x square, then not need to take any common. So is equals to integral dx by, I have taken 4 common, then x square remains, right, minus this 4 already comes outside, so x remains inside, and minus in 7 there is no 4, that's why we write by 4, 7 by 4. And next is equals to integration dx by, we can take this common outside, that becomes 1 by 4, because this 4 is in denominator, that's what we can write 1 by 4, and write x square minus x minus 7 by 4. Now I am going to do, this is in the this denominator x square minus x minus 7 by 4 into completing of the square method. Okay, yes. Now write this 1 by 4 as it is. Integral dx by, write the first term x square as it is, minus this x, write as 2ab, 2, and this only x, a is what? X only, and what we write here in the place of b, that is equals to x. So we can write here 1 by 2. If this 2 gets cancelled, x remains. So what I wrote, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. B is 1 by 2 whole square. To balancing it, we can write now minus 1 by 2 whole square. And write the last term as it is, minus 7 by 4. Now write is equals to 1 by 4 integral dx by, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So from here to here we can write it now a minus b whole square. After this minus, and it is 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. After this minus 7 by 4 is there. And next we can write it now 1 by 4 integral dx by x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and take minus common from these two. So we get 1 by 4 minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus is minus 7 by 4. Now is equals to 1 by 4 integral dx by, write this is as it is x minus 1 by 2 whole square, minus do LCM, and for LCM of 4 and 4 is a 4 only. In 4 table 4 goes 1 time, 1 1 is a 1, plus in 4 table 4 goes 1 time, 1 7 is a 7. is equals to 1 by 4 integral dx by x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 plus 7 is 8 by 4. We can cancel it. 4 ones are and 4 twos are. So is equals to 1 by 4 integral dx by x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 2. Now this 2 can write as root 2 whole square is equals to 1 by 4 integral dx by x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus this root 2 can write as root 2 whole square. Now we can use the formula integral dx by x square minus a square. Now the formula of integral dx by x square minus a square is equals to 1 by 2a log of mod x minus a by x plus a plus constant. Now I am going to substitute these values. In place of x, I am going to substitute x minus 1 by 2. In place of a, I am substituting root 2. See what is, therefore write this 1 by 4 as it is into 1 by 2 a. A is what? Root 2 log mod of x minus a. So x is what? X minus 1 by 2 minus a. A is root 2 by again x. X is what? This value. X minus 1 by 2 plus a is root 2 plus constant. Now it is 1 by 4 2s are 8 root 2 log of, do your LCM, we get LCM as 2. In one table 2 goes 2 times, 2 into x is 2x, minus in 2 table 2 goes 1 time, 1 ones are 1, minus in 1 table 2 goes 2 times, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 by, in denominator also take the LCM, LCM will come as 2. In 1 table 2 goes 2 times, 2 into x, 2x, minus in 2 table 2 goes 1 time, 1 ones are 1, plus in 1 table 2 goes 2 times, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 plus constant. Now we can cancel these 2 and 2. Now the last step is, right, 1 by 8 root 2 log of mod 2x minus 1 minus 2 root 2 by here 2x minus 1 plus 2 root 2 plus constant. Therefore, we conclude integral dx by 4x square minus 4x minus 7 is equals to, we got the answer is 1 by 8 root 2 log mod of 2x minus 1 minus 2 root 2 by 2x minus 1 plus 2 root 2 plus constant. This is the final result. This type of the questions I will give you in the description. You try to solve them. If you are not able to solve, you give me in the comments. I will do them in the next videos. Thank you.